Hello everyone, my name is Serhat Buyruk and this project director is the Habib Gurbuz. I want to present you the engine which is working with the Arduino control unit. We control on the system the injection and the timing of the ignition system. At the end of these values, we take them all data in Arduino and we write a code. It's working perfectly and fluently with Arduino. So we can see the ECU is the electronic control unit of the car, but we delayed it right now and we're working with just Arduino control unit. Now I will change the throttle valve. It's the torque that we read right now. Torque is changeable and you can see it's the Newton meter as a value. Thank you very much for your watching.